Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel TNV Academy. If you are in the process of implementing ISO 14064 or thinking about starting, this video is going to be super helpful. Today we are talking about the most common challenges organizations face while implementing ISO 14064 and more importantly, how to overcome them. Let's dive in. Challenge 1. Defining clear boundaries. Many teams struggle with whether to use equity share, control approach, or some hybrid model when deciding what emissions to include. The solution for this is stick to one recognized approach. Operational control is most commonly used. Make sure it's clearly documented and consistently applied across your reporting. Challenge 2. Data availability and quality. The second challenge is getting accurate and complete data. Sometimes data is missing, inconsistent, or comes from unreliable sources. Energy bills, fuel use records, or supplier emissions data might not always be available or in the right format. So for this, set up a clear data collection plan from day one, assign responsibilities and define formats. Where exact data isn't available, use conservative estimations, but always document your assumptions. Challenge 3. Lack of internal awareness. Another big one is lack of awareness or engagement internally. If your team doesn't understand what ISO 14064 is or why it matters, implementation can feel like pushing a boulder uphill. So for this, run internal awareness sessions. Help people understand how GHG reporting ties to sustainability goals, cost savings, and even legal compliance. Challenge 4. Complex emission calculations. Let's talk about math. Calculating emissions from different sources, especially Scope 3, can get complicated fast. Emissions factors vary by country, activity, and even year. So for this, use reliable tools or software that reference updated emission factor databases and whenever you apply a calculation method. Keep your formulas and references transparent for future audits. Challenge 5. Verification readiness. Many organizations underestimate what it takes to pass third-party verification under ISO 14064-3. Auditors often flag things like missing documentation, incomplete inventories, weak justification for exclusions. Get audit ready by doing internal reviews and even a mock audit before you go external. Remember, verification isn't just about the numbers. It's about the confidence in your process. Challenge 6. Resource constraints. And of course, let's not forget time, budget, and people. ISO 14064 implementation takes real effort and smaller organizations often feel stretched thin. What can you do? Start small. Focus on the highest emitting areas first. Build your system over time and consider external consultants or online tools to fill in resource gaps. And there you have it, the top challenges in ISO 14064. Implementation and some practical ways to tackle each one. If this helped you, go ahead and like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the rest of this ISO 14064 series. Thanks for watching and remember, sustainable action starts with measurable impact. Catch you next time.